Hi everyone, my name is Morgan and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the text leveler in Snap and Read on the iOS in Safari. So the first thing that we're going to do is pull up our iPad, and I have open a Safari page on Stingrays here. So first things first, I'm going to go up to my share button here and go ahead and choose Snap and Read. And then I'll get my nice toolbar there and I'm going to scroll on down to get to some text. So we have seen how to use that read aloud tool, which has been circled here. And then we're going to take a look at that text leveler. So looking at this page on Stingrays, this text is going to be a little bit complex for me to understand and have some tough science words in there. So what I can do is just click once on my text leveler and boom, it has been leveled. And I see a lot of words have been italicized. So that's going to be a visual reminder for me that this text has been simplified. So let's take a peek at tough bendable body tissue. So what's great about that is I can actually click on that and I can go back and forth between those two simplistic and complex text as well. I have my translate on, so I'm also going to get that simplified version in my translated language as well. And then even if I want that read, I can go up to my speaker tool, turn that on, and we can start reading here and we can have that read.
Bodies are supported by tough, bendable body tissue, the same material that you feel inside the tip of your nose.
Which is so awesome. So that is how you use the text leveler in this Snap and Read iOS extension. If you need any more support, please do check out our website at learningtools.donjohnston.com and check out our support tab for product resources where a wealth of information can be found. Thanks so much for watching.